Hey, let me show you around your affiliate dashboard. Here, you have the power to easily copy your affiliate link and share it wherever you like. Or if you prefer, you can create a custom link by pasting any link from our site into the field and hitting Generate Link. Spread the word by adding your affiliate link or product-related affiliate link to your website, social media, or anywhere else. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you'll earn a commission. Want to grow your team? Simply share your affiliate link with others. When they sign up, they'll be placed directly under you, and when they make sales, you'll earn commissions too. Your affiliate dashboard is your hub for tracking all your sales commissions and those from affiliates you've recruited. Stay informed and watch your earnings grow. Remember, commissions are processed 30 days after delivery to ensure smooth transactions. We believe in keeping things clean and transparent. And on the first bank working day of every month, your commissions will be paid out via PayPal, Wise, Payoneer, and Venmo. Want to stay in the loop? Opt in for special deals and offers sent straight to your phone via WhatsApp or Telegram. Have any questions or need assistance? Don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help. So what are you waiting for? Start sharing your affiliate link and watch your earnings grow.